Incense, both fragrance and medicine. Chemical flavoring compared to pure natural flavoring. Although the scent is similar, but the quality of the health and wellness of the two are very different. For ordinary incense users, how should the quality of incense products be identified? Raw materials for comparison: natural incense and plant gum. No other materials added. After igniting, the similarity of fragrance comparison with the raw material should be higher than 80%. Chemical incense uses a lot of sawdust. Chemical glue. Chemically synthesized fragrance oils and flavors. Stone powders, chemical dyes, combustion aids. The fragrance when lit has little or no connection to the fragrance of the incense material. In addition, chemical smokeless incense will also add industrial toner. Jinxiang will also add heavy metal toner. The floral series is made with chemically synthesized fragrances. Secondly, from the appearance of the fragrance to verify. Natural incense presents the color of natural raw materials. When oak in water or alcohol, it will not fade. The chemical incense is mostly colored with chemical fuels. Brightly colored. Most of the color will fade when soaked in water or alcohol. Smell before burning. Natural fragrance. You can smell it carefully to have a faint herbal aroma. The chemical incense has a strong aroma when it is far away. Get close and smell the pungent smell. Compare by quality. Natural incense has a lighter specific gravity and lower density. After 100 grams of incense is burned, the weight of incense ash should not exceed 6 grams, and under the same weight. The volume of pure natural incense is 15% to 25%, more than that of chemical incense. A large amount of wood powder containing impurities is added due to chemical incense. Stone powder and chemical glue, higher density. After 100 grams of chemical incense is burned, the weight of incense ash will mostly exceed 6 grams. Of course, nowadays, due to technological innovation and process improvement, 100 grams of high-quality chemical incense may weigh less than 6 grams after burning. Even all volatilized. Sun incense identification. Natural fragrance is not easy to change taste and fade when exposed to the sun for a long time. The chemical incense is exposed to the sun for 2 or 3 hours after the scent is noticeably faded, with fading. After a day or two, the scent is almost gone. The dried chemical incense will then have a pungent smoke or aroma change. When ignited. Natural incense, incense ash in fluffy flakes. Flakes fall off when dropped. The whole looks like a lotus flower gradually blooming. Chemical incense has a smooth and upright ash column that does not easily fall off. It is also accompanied by a shrinkage of the volume of the incense ash. Most of the ashes remain intact and do not scatter easily after they fall. Incense ash fluttering. When the incense is burned, it flutters in the sky when it is blown. Flakes like snowflakes. Smaller pieces of ash can float in the air for longer periods of time. The ashes of chemical incense are difficult to blow with the mouth. After barely blowing off, the ashes in the form of chunks of incense fall directly to the ground. You can also experience the difference between natural and chemical incense by smelling the incense. Natural fragrance, fresh and natural. No physical discomfort even after prolonged sniffing. The chemical incense is mixed with many irritating chemical raw materials. Long-term sniffing can make people feel dizzy, weak, and breathless. With mild ataxia, the aroma enters through the mouth and nose, entering through the skin pores, through the lungs and blood, have a direct impact on the mind and body. To distinguish natural incense from chemical incense, we need to refine our discriminating techniques in accordance with the changing times. Good fragrance is not only fragrant and pleasant, but also nourishes the body and mind. I hope you are proficient in the basic principles of incense identification. In the future, when judging incense products from a variety of aspects of a comprehensive comparison, maintain a professional attitude of lifelong learning. After the class, please think about the essential difference between chemical and natural incense and leave great insights in the discussion forum.